How to build business credit from scratch in 2025. Most people don't know this, but you can build business credit that's completely separate from your personal credit. And if you do it right, you can fund your business with $10K, $50K, even $100K without using your SSN. Here's exactly how to build business credit from scratch in 2025, step by step. No fluff. Step 1. Form a legal business entity. That means creating an LLC. Don't just operate as a sole proprietor. You need an EIN, Employer Identification Number, from the IRS. It's like your business's social security number, free to apply at IRS Gov Pro Tip. Use a real business address or a virtual office, not a P.O. box or home address that looks more credible to banks and lenders. Step 2. Get listed with business credit bureaus, Dun & Bradstreet, Experian Business, Equifax Business. You'll want a DUNS number. That's like your business's credit file. Register with NAV.com to track all your business credit activity in one dashboard. NAVA also reports to credit bureaus, which helps build history fast. Step 3. Start with Tier 1 vendors. These are companies that let you buy on net 30 terms and report to the business credit bureaus. You order something, they give you 30 days to pay. When you pay it on time, it builds credit. Examples: Grainger, Uline, Quill, Summa Office Supplies. Buy low-cost items like office supplies just to trigger reporting. Do this for at least 3 to 6 months. Step 4. Move to Tier 2 accounts. Once you've got payment history, you can apply for business store cards. Think Amazon Business, Office Depot, and even gas cards like Shell or BP Pay on Time never carry a balance. Let your business build reputation before you go for the big banks. Step 5. Apply for True Business credit cards, Capital One Spark, Amex Blue Business Plus, Chase Inc. Some will still require a soft pull on your personal credit, but as your profile grows, you'll be able to get funding strictly off your business name. Why does this matter? Because now, if you want to scale a business, buy inventory, get equipment, or float cash flow, you don't need to risk your personal credit or use your own money. It's how big players build empires with other people's money. And now, you can too. Like this video if you learned something new. Comment, level up, if you're building business credit this year. Subscribe for more wealth strategies every single week. This is Mind on Millions, where we play the money game to win.